Ever wanted to share your passions live on TikTok, but hesitated to show your face? You absolutely can, and today, we're unlocking creative ways to go live while keeping your privacy protected. First up, let's talk avatars. TikTok has some fun built-in avatar features you can utilize when you're setting up your live stream. Look for the effects or beauty options. Many live features now include avatar filters that can transform your appearance into a digital character. Experiment with different styles to find one that suits your vibe. Alternatively, think outside the box with your camera angles. Instead of pointing the camera directly at you, focus on what you're doing or what's around you. Show your hands as you craft something, your pet's adorable antics, or even a breathtaking view during a live walk. The key is to make the content the star, not your face. Another fantastic method is to create content-focused lives. This means your live stream is all about a specific topic or activity. If you're a gamer, show your gameplay. As chef, demonstrate a recipe. An artist, show your creative process. You can even use text overlays and engaging background music to enhance the experience and communicate with your audience without direct eye contact. When you're ready, simply tap the plus icon to create a new post, then swipe to live before you hit go live. Explore the various effects and options. You might even find dedicated avatar or background blurring features that can instantly enhance your privacy. Get ready to share your world your way. So there you have it, Euro creative ways to go live on TikTok without showing your face. Unleash your creativity and connect with your audience while safeguarding your privacy. Happy streaming.